Hi everyone. What you're about to hear isn't based on theory alone. It's based on years of hands-on work, testing and solving problems directly in the shop. If your Sonos Era 300 shows error 1001 during setup, don't worry. We reviewed Sonos information and customer experiences to find the most useful things to check before considering a repair. At the shop, we'd first check the connection. Error 1001 is commonly associated with communication problems during setup or updates. Restart the router and speaker, then move the Era 300 closer to the router, especially if there are walls or interference. Keep in mind that your phone having internet doesn't guarantee the speaker is communicating properly. Guest networks, mesh systems, and certain security settings can cause problems. Trying a simpler Wi-Fi network can help determine whether the router is responsible. It's also worth updating the Sonos app and trying another phone or tablet. If the setup works on another device, the issue may be with app communication rather than the speaker itself. Another useful test is connecting the Era 300 directly to the router with Ethernet. If setup works normally this way, the problem is likely related to Wi-Fi, the router, or interference. A factory reset should be considered a last resort. If error 1001 continues after trying another network device, restarting the router, and using Ethernet, contact Sonos support so they can check the speaker's diagnosis.